Thank you for joining me for another episode of Sam's Tech Stuff. Today, we're going to take a look at Be Quiet's Pure Power 11 FM or fully modular 750 watt power supply. The Pure Power 11 FM series is focused on providing the best overall value and a premium class of power delivery for high-end gaming PCs. Be Quiet offers three models of the Pure Power 11 FM lineup: 550, 650, and 750 watts. We're going to take a look at the power supply specs, the build quality, and install the PSU into one of my gaming PCs. Before I get into the Pure Power 11 details, if you're interested in PC component reviews like this one, gaming PC builds, or home lab server content, get subscribed to the channel and click the bell icon below this video to get future video notifications. I'll be linking out to the Pure Power 11 PSU lineup in the description below, so definitely head down there to check that out. In true Be Quiet fashion, all of the Pure Power 11 FM power supplies are 80+ gold rated in terms of efficiency, but they also are capable of peaking up to 93.9% while remaining relatively quiet. All of the Pure Power 11 FM models are modular, meaning you can choose to only plug in the required power cables for your gaming PC build. This helps ensure that you don't have to route and manage an unnecessary amount of cables during the build. This will also help clear out the clutter from the extra slack in the cables you're not using to help increase the airflow and cool your PC a little bit better. The Pure Power 11 FM 750 watt model offers two 12-volt rails for supplying the bulk of the power to the system. Rail 1 provides 36 amps and Rail 2 provides 32 amps. This dual rail system can split the total system load between both rails for optimum efficiency. The Pure Power 11 runs extremely cool, which allows the silence optimized fan to spin very slowly between 20 to 50% load. At 50% load or less, the PSU fan is making less than 10 dBA worth of noise, according to Be Quiet. 10 dBA worth of noise is basically completely inaudible to most people. Even at a 100% sustained load of 750 watts, the fan in the power supply is rated to output 25 dBA, which is roughly equivalent to a low-speed or low-noise case fan. At 750 watts of continuous system load, though, this fan will probably be undetectable versus your graphics card, for example. Like many other Be Quiet PSUs, this series also utilizes a wire-free design on the DC side of the PSU. Because there's no restriction, the components on the DC side of the board will run much cooler, extending the life of the power supply. A great feature of the Be Quiet power supplies is that Be Quiet employs a strategy where they try to keep compatibility when they move from one series or generation of modular PSUs to the next. This means that if you had an older, say 5 or 600 watt Dark Pro 10 power supply, that you would be able to keep and reuse the drive, PCI Express, and the CPU cables with your shiny new Pure Power 11 power supply. This compatibility check tool is quite handy, so if you haven't seen it or used it, definitely check out the description and take a look. Be Quiet's gold rated and above PSUs are typically very high quality. This 750 watt Pure Power 11 power supply is built for mid-ranged to high-end gaming machines that need reliable power output. The PSU is actually rated for 750 watts of continuous load, but it is capable of peaking up to 820 watts. The Pure Power 11 series will carry a 5-year manufacturing warranty as well. I found the build quality of this PSU to be what I would expect from Be Quiet and from any other power supply in this range, which is to say that it was very good. I found no manufacturing defects with the PSU itself or the modular cables included. I tested each cable just to be sure. The cables are sleeved with black plastic, which is a nice look, and they were relatively easy to work with. Overall, I enjoyed completing this build with the 750 watt Pure Power 11. One note about the power supply is that while it is the standard length for a 750 watt model, it is a little bit larger. So if you have a smaller case or one of the cases with a shortened power supply shroud, the fit might be a little bit tight, but if you need 750 watts, it's definitely worth it. Another design element that I really like about the Be Quiet PSUs, and this one in particular, is that all of the modular cables are vertically as opposed to horizontally. You'll be receiving several power cables in multiple types of configurations, including one molded 8-pin connector for the CPU power, as well as one 2x4-pin CPU connector for the power. I'm quite happy with the design, the performance, the included cabling, and of course, that the PSU was almost completely silent during all of my testing. If you're on the fence about a 600 watt model giving you enough headroom for future upgrades or overclocking, or you already know that you need a 750 watt model, I would definitely suggest the 750 watt Pure Power 11 power supply from Be Quiet. From low loads to high loads, the PSU remains efficient and an extremely competitive option in terms of performance in the 750 watt power supply segment. Right now, the 750 watt model is coming in at about $115 on Amazon, and it is in decent stock, so you should be able to pick this one up without an issue. I think it's a great deal for those who are looking to build a mid-range to high-end gaming PC, and you're planning on doing some overclocking. This power supply definitely will not let you down. Let me know in the comments section what you think about the new Pure Power 11 FM lineup and what you're looking for in terms of features and power rating for your next power supply upgrade. I'll be linking out to the Pure Power 11 series in the description below, as well as some other build videos and component reviews. So definitely head down there and check those out. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and let me know in the comment section below. I create gaming PC and home lab tech videos every week, so if this kind of stuff interests you, definitely get subscribed to the channel. Until next time, you can follow me on Twitter at Sam's Tech Stuff, on Facebook at facebook.com/Sam's Tech Stuff, or on the website samstechstuff.com.